up, guys? We're back with another Pokemon card opening, and because I like to waste more of my money, and I like to just add them into the video, right, Eddie?
Yes.
So today we got 3 booster packs, 2 Evolving Skies, and 1, which is a new one, Fusion Strikes.
I'll work on that one since.
Yeah, hopefully, I want the Gengar on this one,
That would be nice.
but who knows? And we're still looking for some EV evolutions and or Rayquaza. We got boxes coming, so yeah, don't I'm just like wasting money, and Eddie is just a part of it, cause yeah.
I'm just drinking my tea.
He's just here drinking his tea. Which one do you want to open?
I'll take Rayquaza.
I have the Rayquaza. I'll do the Umbreon.
Ray.
Let's see this one. Yeah. This is a Pokemon card opener master. Like, I've seen other people have problems opening these packs, so I'm not alone. We both opened at the same time. Got some codes. I know Eddie got some codes.
I can see that.
Yeah. We'll show them again. Let's see. I'll do this. What's this card trick?
I don't know the card trick.
I forgot. It's 1. I think it's 3. Don't hate me on this. So yeah, 3 from the back, and then I don't know. You did it all wrong. 1, count 3.
Yeah.
It's all good. All right, so I'll do first since Eddie's like, yeah. We got Skiploom, whatever this is, which I can't tell. Shopping center. Hoppin. Swablu, kind of like Swablu. Zorua. I forgot how you say this guy, but yeah, I've got this like pretty much every time. Peliti. Ragnarola.
Ragnarok.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
I got that Vaporeon. Ooh. And then one more card. Oh, it was 4 cards, which is the energy. That's what I was looking for. But ooh. We'll have to check that rarity on this one, but ooh, that's a good pack right there. Got that Vaporeon. Even though I like Flareon more, but it's all good. It's all good. Ready? You want to do your card trick, or you already messed up?
No.
Even though I messed up. Ooh.
I'll just hand them to you.
Alright.
Here you
we got the evolution to the one I got. Lilligant. Got that water energy. Plippitoad. Cause yeah.
Classic.
Gold Duck from Psyduck's evolution. Ooh. Boost Shake. Hippopotas. I like this little pup. That artwork is kind of nice though. I need to get Lambo like that. Nickit.
That's nice.
Bergmite.
Ragnarok.
Well, the plain one. compared to the one I got.
This is nice.
And I don't even know who this is.
Yeah, me neither.
Flapple. This was the rares. Which is not bad. But that Vaporeon though. Alright, so we got one Good Evolving Skies card going on over here. And then got one more. Let's do this Fusion Strike. Let's see what's going on over here. Get that Fusion Strike. This is probably the only Fusion Strike pack I'm gonna get because I'm poor as hell. I'm poor as hell. Unless you guys want to keep watching these videos and you know, give those likes and comments. Alright, let's look at this. Alright, there you go. Alright, so let's see, we'll do that card trick again. This is the other code. I don't play these, so I'm just gonna keep showing them to you guys. What is it? One, two, three. I think it's 4, if I remember correctly. Aha! I did it right. So, on Thunder Energy, you got the Skaters Park. That's your card right there. The Skaters Park. Got the Lopunny, Marshtomp. I do like Marshtomp. Got that Slugma. Got that Skitty. That Skitty Kitty. Phalanx. That Chulette for that Chuleta.
I could go for one.
Volbe. I don't know. Ooh, that Luxray though.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah. That Luxray. And then the Absol. So, I think the Absol was the rare one. I don't even remember. I don't know how these go anymore. But that's the finish of this episode. But that Vaporeon.
That is nice.
That Vaporeon though. I have to get this graded just because it's kind of cool. You can see it. And what else? Get these trading cards. Got that one again. Got this one. And the new one. If you want to scan the code. That's that. We got more Evolving Skies. We got 2 boxes coming. Got a great story on that one. Yeah, that's the end of that video. So just enjoy it. Just enjoy this Vaporeon as much as I do. Peace out, guys.
Cheers.